'cause I want you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sydney and I do all kinds of decorating videos here on my channel. So if all things decorating interest you, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any videos from me. Now, as you can see from the title of today's video, today is going to be a huge Valentine's Day haul. I have collected a bunch of items that I picked up recently and some items that I got for Christmas. So if you would like to see what all I got, then please continue to watch. Okay, so if you hear my kids in the background, my husband's out there watching them and they're being kind of loud, so I apologize for that. So all of these items are in no particular order. I just grabbed them all out of the bags and they're all around me, so I'm gonna just start pulling things out and showing you. So the first item I wanted to show you is this love mat. That's Raydon. I was so excited to find this and it was only $12.99. I thought this would be perfect for our front door. I still have my Merry Christmas one out just because I was waiting to put this out once I show you guys. So I thought I would keep it very simple outside this year and just do a simple Valentine's wreath. I'm thinking about DIYing one and then putting this out, and I think that will look so nice. Also, I got this shirt, this XOXO from Marshall's, and it was only $19.99, and I thought it would be perfect to wear during this video. Next, I got this heart blanket for our living room. I saw this and thought, you know, it's neutral, and I was looking for a new throw blanket for our living room, so I just thought I would grab this one, and it was only $19.99. If I am going to decorate my living room, I want to do just neutral colors. I don't want to do anything like bright pink, red. I'm going to keep that for my coffee bar kitchen area. And then I'm also going to be decorating my daughter's kitchen area. So I'm going to be showing you lots of pastel stuff for that. So for my daughter's room, I picked up this really pretty tulip bouquet. It has this really pretty pink heart on this ceramic vase. I thought that was really pretty. This was from Marshall's and it was only $9.99. Then I picked up this little succulent with this really pretty little face on this heart. It was only $5.99. And I thought I could use this in my daughter's room year round. I just think this is so adorable, and for $6, it's definitely worth it. I also picked up a few bright colored signs for my daughter's room. I got this Be Mine. It's like one of those conversation hearts. And then this Love You to the Moon and Back with the pink letters. I just think these are so nice. And this heart was only $5.99. And as well as this, so they were both $5.99. Another sign from Marshall's was this Kisses 25 cents. I thought this was really cute. It was $5.99. I feel like this would be a really easy DIY sign, but I saw it, I didn't think the price was too bad, and I thought I could hang this somewhere on my coffee bar this year. Next, I got these Raedon Candles. It comes with 2 candles that says Hugs and Kisses, and then this little heart in the middle. I thought I could do something with that as well. I thought these were pretty, and it's in a pastel pink color, and they were only $9.99. Also from Marshall's, I got this little XO little set. These were only $3.99, and I thought these would look really cute even in our living room. It's very subtle, and I like that it's the white ceramic. Next, my mother-in-law got me this Raydon Mama sign for Christmas, so I thought I could incorporate this into my Valentine's Day decor. I think it's very pretty, and I love that it has the red writing. My mother-in-law also gave me this towel set, which is really nice. I may drape this over my coffee bar, because if you watch my videos, you know I always like to drape a seasonal towel over that. And then it also comes with all these other red towels, which would also be nice for Christmas time, so these will definitely come in handy. So another towel set from Marshall's. It's this pink one that was $6.99. This is like a pastel pink, if you can see. And I thought I could drape one of them. It comes with 2. So I'll probably keep one in my kitchen, and I thought I could drape one of them in my daughter's kitchen. I thought that would be really cute since my daughter's room is very pastel. Next, I picked up this set of gnomes. I thought these were so cute, and they were $14.99 for the set of them. My daughter loved playing with my Halloween gnome that I had out, so I thought these would be perfect for her room to set in there somewhere. So yeah, and they were the perfect colors to match her room. Next, for only $4.99, I found these really pretty ceramic heart dishes. I thought I could use these for my daughter's room, or if I do incorporate like pink colors into my kitchen area, this would look so cute on a tiered tray. Okay, also from Marshall's, I picked up these 2 sets of spatulas. So this one says made with love, and then I thought this little cute spatula the tiny one would look really cute in my daughter's room, and like a little jar for utensils. And then I found this Raydon one that says "Be Mine" on both sides. And then it also comes with a heart-shaped cookie cutter, which I thought was really nice. This one was $4.99, and then this set was $3.99. Alright, so next I found this Be Mine from Marshall's. And then my mother-in-law actually gave me this XOXO one for Christmas. So I pulled it out. I was so excited because I knew that I had this one that I found and that they would look so good together. I love that this one's larger. I was thinking I could either put them on my counters or on my bigger tiered tray. Okay, and next I found 3 Raydon mugs. I found 2 red ones. This one that says "Be Mine," and this one that says "Kisses." And then I found a white one with the red interior that says "Babe." So this one's probably one of my favorites. I love that the hearts are like an ombre. You can see. I think that's so pretty. And these were only $5.99 from Marshall's. I already have a white with red interior one from last year that says "Love," #love. So I think these 4, like alternated with my other white one, would look pretty along my coffee bar hooks. So that's what I might do with these. Alright, so I am planning on putting baskets together for my son and my daughter for Valentine's Day. And I actually just ordered another white bin just like this. I thought it'd be cute to display my kids' Valentine's Day stuff in here because they can see it right as they walk up to it. So I found this like stress heart ball that says "You're my main squeeze." I thought this one would be really cute for my son. And this was from Marshall's, only $4.99. And then from Marshall's I also found these little books, $3.99, and I thought I could put this boy one in my son's and then like the girly one in my daughter's. To quickly show you what I got from Amazon to put in those. So I got this Romeo and Juliet book for my daughter, this Love Monster for my son. And then I think these are so great to put in baskets for your kids if they're younger. So I love the Melissa and Doug line, and they have like the little wood toys. Well, these are painting ones. So it's a race car and a monster truck. So I'm going to put this in my son's. And then for my daughter's, I found this heart, decorate your own wooden heart chest. So I thought that would be really cute, and then she could store things in it. So I got that one, and then I also got this one for her, create your own wand. So I just ordered my son a really cute shirt from Amazon, and it has the ABCs, and then it has in red "I love you." And then I got matching red sneakers for him that I'm going to put in his basket. And then I found this outfit for my daughter. I had another outfit in mind to get her from Amazon, but when I saw this at Marshall's, it was only $16.99. Well, the outfit I had planned, I had even picked out a heart purse for her. So this one actually comes with a heart purse already that matches. So I thought this would be really cute to put in my daughter's basket and then have her wear this on Valentine's Day. Next, at Dollar Tree, I found these really cute little slinkies. I'm gonna put the red in my son's, the pink in my daughter's. I found a red Hot Wheels for my son. I also found this really cute love container. I thought I could use this in my daughter's room to decorate her kitchen, to maybe put one of those small spatulas in this. So I thought that would be cute, just kind of sitting in there. But I don't know yet. I just thought that was really cute for $1. Also from the Dollar Tree, I found this XOXO. And I thought I could always flip it around, paint it just the plain white, or do something that's neutral and use this in my living room. So I'm thinking about DIYing something with this. I also picked up all of these little beads from the Dollar Tree. I thought I could DIY something, and it just comes with the red, pink, and white. Also, I saw this and I really liked it. It's this heart with these bells. I was planning on maybe removing these bells and using that for something, and then using this actual wired heart for something that I have in mind. So we'll see on that. Really pretty garland that I picked up from Amazon. I love these felt hearts at the ends here. They are so pretty. I thought I could drape these along my kids' bookshelves because we have a bunch of Valentine's Day books I like to display for the season. So I already got those out, and now I plan on decorating with these. Okay, and then I picked up this pancake mix from Marshall's. This was only $3.99. I think this would be so good to give as a gift for Valentine's Day, but I'm planning on making these pancakes. They're the red velvet for my kids on Valentine's morning to make it a little more special. And for $3.99, I think that is perfect, just something easy so I don't have to think about it. Alright, so that is everything for my Valentine's Day haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Definitely stay tuned to see a future Valentine's Day decorate with me. I can't wait to start playing with all of this stuff that I got. Definitely don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already so you never miss out on any videos from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, have a wonderful and blessed day.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you